going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not showing in Windows 11. Now, as you can see at the bottom here, if I click on this button, I'm going to see Bluetooth here. If yours do not show, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Now, the first step you need to do is to go to the search on your taskbar, then search for Device Manager. Then open Device Manager. Then Device Manager will pop up. Now you need to come to Network Devices. Then you will not be able to see Bluetooth device here. But for me, mine is here because mine is working. So if yours is missing, you are going to click on Action, then Add Legacy Hardware. Then you are going to click on Next. Then install the hardware that I manually select from a list. So select that, then click on Next. Then you are going to select Network Adapters. So you are going to see it there, double click on it. Then this one will come up. So under Manufacturer, you are going to select Microsoft. Then on this other side, on your right hand side, under Model, you are going to see Bluetooth. So you are going to select Bluetooth. For me, I do not have Bluetooth in this list because I already have Bluetooth on my PC. You are going to select Bluetooth, then you will click Next, then Finish. And still, if this does not work, you are now going to go to the next fix. So I'll just cancel this, then I will close this one. Then you will go now to your File Explorer. Open your File Explorer. Then you will go to your local disk C. Then go to Windows. Then search for System 32. So you are going to see it there, System 32. Now click on it. Then here you are going to search, go to search on your top right corner there. Then you are going to search for FSQUIR. Then hit on search. Then you are going to see Bluetooth.exe. So you are going to double click on it. Then now you can send file through Bluetooth. As you can see, transfer file using Bluetooth. I hope this helps, and if it does, please do not forget to subscribe and also to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.